This video will show you how to change the model color in Cura. Quick version check. Click on Preferences, then Configure Cura. Then Materials. Sometimes you can just change the color. But if you can't, then click the 3 lines, then click Activate, then try to change color. This sometimes works. The next option is to click the 3 lines, then click Duplicate. Now you can click Activate to confirm it's selectable as an option. And you can now pick any color you like. And the model preview will show in the new color. And you can quickly come in and change the color at any time. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and have fun.